In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly delete a Replit app. If you've deployed something for testing, spun up a demo, or simply don't need a particular app anymore, cleaning it up keeps your workspace tidy and avoids confusion later. The process is straightforward and happens right from your home dashboard. Start on your home dashboard, where you'll see the navigation panel running down the left side. Look for the Apps section there. Clicking Apps opens a clear list of your existing apps so you can see everything you've deployed in one place. This view is helpful because it shows the names you assigned, making it easy to spot the exact app you want to remove without digging through settings or opening individual projects. Once you're in the list, find the specific app you want to delete. To the right of that app's name, you'll see a 3 dots icon. This is the More Actions menu. Click those 3 dots to reveal a small menu tailored to that app. Before you continue, take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the correct one, especially if you've created multiple versions with similar names. That brief check helps you avoid deleting the wrong app by accident. From the menu that appears, select Delete. This is the command that removes the app from your apps list. Depending on your current Replit interface, you might see a short confirmation prompt. That's normal. It's simply a safeguard to make sure you meant to take this action. Confirming the deletion finalizes it, and the app will be removed from your list shortly. That's all you need to do. After deletion, the app won't appear in your apps panel anymore, and it won't be available as a deployment. If you're keeping track of active projects, this is a quick way to make sure only the apps you actually use remain visible. It's worth noting that deleting an app here removes the deployment itself. Your underlying code or project, often referred to as a Repl, stays intact unless you choose to remove that separately. This distinction helps when you want to retire a deployment, but keep the source code for later. To recap in simple terms, open the Apps view on your home dashboard, use the 3 dots menu next to the app you no longer need, and choose Delete. With those few clicks, you've tidied up your deployments and kept your Replit workspace organized. Thanks for watching, and happy building.